Hi there, it's Tom here from Tom's Tech Reviews, and this quick video should resolve your problem when one or both of your Bose QuietComfort earbuds stops working properly. I had an issue with my left earbud which wasn't responding to the volume control on my paired device, whether that was listening to music with my iPhone or my Apple Watch. But now it's fixed and working fine again. So without further ado, I'll share this fix with you now so you can get back to enjoying your Bose QuietComfort earbuds again. Place your earbuds in their charging case and make sure the case is connected to a power supply and charging. I've connected my charging pod to the USB port on my laptop. Now close the charging case lid and wait 5 seconds before opening the lid. Press and hold down the Bluetooth button in the center of the charging case for 30 seconds before releasing. During this time, the earbuds LEDs will cycle between blinking blue and solid white, and then finally return to blinking blue, which means your earbuds are now back in pairing mode. You now have to reconnect your earbuds to your device again, as this reset process will delist your earbuds from your previously paired devices, which means you may initially get this error message, connection unsuccessful, if you're trying to pair with your iPhone. And in this case, you just need to click on Forget Device and then pair your earbuds again. And also make sure that your earbuds are in pairing mode with the blinking blue light. If your earbuds still don't show on your device, then come out of Settings and then go back into Settings, and this should trigger your device to find them. After pairing your device, you should find that your earbuds are working normally again, but if you still don't hear any sound from your earbuds, try disconnecting them and pairing them again, as I did have this issue once, and that's how I resolved it. Well, I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, please thumbs it up, and please subscribe for a lot more tech guides and reviews to come. Thanks for watching.